Hey, how you doing, Shahina? I just wanted to go ahead and reach out to you. I was taking a look at your site, and I believe I spoke with Nick, and he wanted me to, just go over what I did with him with your site as well. So I'm gonna take a look at it now. Obviously, you do your own, type of. You have all kinds of different areas that you practice like anybody else, and one of the most quick money and beneficial is criminal defense. So that's going to be my comparison today. I'm going to go over that, and if you like what you see, like I said, I'm going to sit down with Nick here soon, talking to him about how to help his bail bond site. Maybe you guys can both can do both y'all sites together for some just really good deal. And let me just continue and jump right in here, and you can watch and see everything. And if you like what you see, I'll sit down with Nick either this weekend or next week sometime, and we could sit down and talk a little bit more. But I'm gonna just jump right in here. So the first thing I'm gonna talk to you about, obviously, the same thing I talked to him, is content, and that's everything that we see throughout the site. Your site looks pretty. I do like the look, and we can keep that look. We don't have to do anything with changing the look. We can keep the same host, and we can talk more about that. But all I have to do is add more content, because like I say, Google will come to your site and it's going to see everything that we see, and we want to make sure that you're ranking for those keywords that get a lot of searches on a monthly basis. So when you want to rank for a criminal defense lawyer in Charleston or in Monk's Corner or anywhere, you're going to have to include all those areas and all those keywords. This is your main competitor, David Ayler, when it comes to criminal defense. Criminal defense attorney right here. I mean, he's got a good amount of content, but he definitely doesn't have 1,500 words. He is definitely going to not get his front page ranked, but you can see all these different pages he has, and he's going to get those ranked before any of his front pages. But you can see here, have criminal defense lawyer, Charleston SC. It gets over 100 searches a month. So ranking number one for this is going to bring in a lot of traffic. David Ayler is number one right now. He's got 125 reviews, but he's 21 miles away, while these guys are 12 and 15 miles away from me. So why are these guys ranking? Well, real quick, just so we could see, I'm also in incognito mode, so this means this is a non-biased search. But the reason why he is ranking above these guys is due to the main thing called citations. Citations are your business's name, address, and phone number submitted to different directories throughout the web. So a cool thing about what I do is I have a list of over 450 directories, so I can get you ranked literally wherever you want to go. I have this tool called whitespark.ca. We could see Ericho, criminal defense firm. These guys were 5th or 6th, and this is why, because they have 38 citations, while David Ayler is sitting at 104. So 104 citations really isn't that great. I'm normally used to companies having at least 120 to 150. So if we can submit 150 to you guys, which is no problem, you guys be able to rank and outbeat most of these people. Literally, the actual address itself is another key player, and we'd have to get you in Charleston or get a place in Charleston. And it doesn't have to be somewhere people can go, so it just has to be a general address. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about is ranking here in this areas. As you can see, one of his pages is popping up, davidayler.com/Charleston Criminal Defense Lawyer. But the reason he's popping up there is because of something called backlinks. Backlinks are when other websites are linking to your website. So when you have a website linking back to your website, you have a backlink. More of these backlinks linking to you from other sites that are related to what you do are going to boost you in the rankings. So we're taking a look at your site right now. You have 43 backlinks linking back. You have 49 keywords you're ranking for, and you have 12 people on average every month coming to your site. That looks good, right? Well, I already took a look, and it looks like you guys are starting to rank for some weird stuff. Are butter knives illegal, or butterfly knives illegal in Canada? Does wearing a hat cause hair loss? Genghis Khan Pokemon? Like, what in the world? You're ranking for some weird stuff. So I was taking a look, and what's bringing in the traffic right now is you're in the 9th position for your own name, Bennett Law Firm. So I would honestly, that would be a good start. Let's get you to the top for your own name. And then let's target like these words like criminal defense lawyer in Charleston, SC, or criminal defense lawyer Charleston, SC, Charleston lawyers in Charleston, things like that. I actually work with a couple lawyers in some pretty big spots, so they really pay me pretty good money to get to the top. And we're going to take a look here. David Ayler, you can see he's got 4,750 backlinks currently coming to his website. He's got 167 different domains, 1,700 keywords he's ranking for, and 1,100 people on average every month coming to his site. So he's got a pretty good following right now. He's had some rises and falls, but you can see the quality of his backlinks. Majority of them are lower quality, 53% low, very low, 45% next step up, and then he's got a few of these really good ones. The 4 to 5 and 3 to 4s, I build these high quality backlinks and I send them to companies. So you know, that's exactly what I get paid to do, is because these cost a lot of money for me to make. So, you know, if you pay me on a monthly basis, I'm able to create these on a monthly basis and send them to you. And that's what really brings up the rankings. So, quick recap: we talked about how we're going to do 1,500 words throughout your site on the front page, and then we have to add a lot more pages that have a lot of content throughout. Because if I click here, let's see how much content you have. You know, like, it's just a little bit here. That's okay, but you definitely want way more words targeting these keywords. And also citations. We talked about how you're going to need citations. 150 will definitely get you to the top. And then last but not least, you need a lot more backlinks. 43 compared to his 4,750. I mean, 4,000 more backlinks. You're talking 1,000 times more stuff here. So you know, it's gonna be a I'm sorry, 100. You're gonna have to 100 times whatever you have right now. So, I mean, you can only imagine whoever you paid before to do this wasn't doing a great job. So, would like to, you know, they definitely did a good job on your design, and the design looks good. But you know, it's like I said, it's pretty much just a landing page right now, and you have to send people to your site in order for them to find you, and not being able to just look you up and search for a criminal defense lawyer or a personal injury lawyer, or you know, mediation lawyer, or anything like that. Like, that's what you want to be found for. So I'm going to help you do that. And if you like what you saw and you just want to talk to me directly before I meet, this is my phone number, 407-978-7759. Like I said, I was talking with Nick, and we're going to help out the bail bond site. You guys are more than welcome to give me a call before meeting. It's 407-978-7759. Hope to talk to you soon. I'll talk to you later.